Here at Dehumidifiers UK, we have a fantastic range of compressor dehumidifiers which are perfect for small apartments and homes through to large warehouses and storage units. A compressor dehumidifier provides effective moisture extraction in the right environment. Typically, a compressor dehumidifier works efficiently in higher temperatures. The compressor has been tried and tested in conditions between 12 degrees and 30 degrees centigrade and with a humidity level of 80%. One of the best-selling compressor dehumidifiers we have here at Dehumidifiers UK is the eBag 2650E dehumidifier. The eBag 2650E extracts up to 18 litres a day, features a smart control which automatically shuts off when required to do so, and has a permanent drainage facility to minimize those pesky trips to the sink. If you require a compressor dehumidifier for a large home or office space, we recommend the Miko 20L. The Miko 20L is a 20-litre portable dehumidifier which has been designed to save energy and features ultra-quiet operation. If you would like to discuss our range of compressor dehumidifiers, then please feel free to contact our dedicated customer services team today.